In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Trello account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and which export format to choose so you can safely save a copy of your board's data. This is handy for audits, sharing structured information, or simply keeping a snapshot of your work offline. First, make sure you're viewing the specific Trello board you want to back up. The export happens at the board level, so the file you download will reflect whichever board is currently open. If you collaborate with a team, confirm you have the right access and that the board content is up to date before you export. On your open board, look toward the top right area of the board header for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the Options or Overflow menu. Click those three dots to reveal the board's quick actions. Think of this as the shortcut to key utilities, where Trello tucks away helpful tools beyond basic card edits. From the menu that appears, click Print, Export, and Share. This section groups ways to move or present your board's information outside of Trello. It's designed for situations like printing a high-level overview, generating a shareable snapshot, or exporting data for analysis or backup. Now choose how you want your backup. Export as CSV or export as JSON. CSV creates a spreadsheet-friendly file that opens nicely in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. It's great for sorting, filtering, and reporting. If your goal is to review lists, cards, due dates, labels, or assignees in a tabular format, CSV is usually the easiest choice. Depending on your plan, CSV may be available only to certain account tiers. If you don't see it, that's often the reason. JSON, on the other hand, is a structured data format that preserves more of Trello's hierarchy and relationships. It's ideal if you want a comprehensive, developer-friendly snapshot for automation, custom scripts, or potential re-import workflows. JSON often includes rich details like checklists, comments, and references to attachments. Remember that attachments themselves aren't bundled into the file. The export typically contains links, so if you need the actual files, plan to save those separately. Once the export begins, your browser will download the file. Save it in a secure, clearly labeled folder, and consider adding the date to the file name so you can track versions over time. If you maintain regular backups, a consistent naming pattern keeps things tidy and easy to find. That's it. Click the three dots, open Print, Export, and Share, and pick CSV or JSON. With those simple steps, you've created a reliable backup of your Trello board.